It's Design Showcase with Payne, Renovation and Design. We're here with Jill and Kent and Lisa. We're going to talk about everything from foundation to furniture. Let's talk about this renovation. Explain the scope of the interior.
So with the interior, we pretty much took everything down to the studs. This whole area is part of the addition, so it's all brand new. And we did everything down to furniture. We always say we do foundation to furniture, and in this case, we really did. We did the foundation all the way through to the furniture, the window treatments, everything.
There's so much uniqueness in this house.
Explain the features of this kitchen.
So we did custom cabinetry in the kitchen. We did a quartz countertop. This is MSI. I love quartz because you can make it look like marble and it's pretty much maintenance free. It doesn't stain, it doesn't scratch. And the cabinets. So there's a couple options when you have cabinets. You can do inset or full overlay. So all the perimeter cabinets are full overlay in what we call frameless. So we have a 3/4 inch thick frame. Full overlay has a more modern, clean look. The island, which we did two-tone, is framed inset. That means that you can see the face frame of the cabinet, which is 1.5 inches, and the doors sit inside. And I did the two-tone with it because it really makes it look like a furniture piece.
It does. Even with the tile, you extended all the way to the ceiling.
Yeah, so I love this Calcutta gold hexagon mosaic marble tile.
So what kind of furniture do you design?
We offer furnishings. It's a separate contract with our designers. We offer everything from the accessories, rugs, the furniture, upholstery, case goods, and custom window treatments. And we work with a workroom. You can see here that we did do all the drapery and the Roman shades and the custom banquette. So the banquette was a combination of our cabinet maker and our upholsterer because it has the inset panels in there. So most of our renovations take about 3 to 4 months if it's interior only. When you are doing an addition, it does add on a few months.
Payne Renovations and Design.